stay tuned for crocodiles and the most beautiful island Isabel has ever seen. Oh my goodness. Big call. Setting the anchor, set. No. Isabel's freaking out. She heard there were some crocodiles around.
I'm so sorry for getting eaten up.
As a young Isabel attempts to see the coconuts that she wishes to eat on the top of the tree, she will try to climb the tree.
Good day.
Welcome back to Sailing Merewether, guys. After being without internet anchored in the outer caves of the San Blas Islands, we need to move to find some signal and upload a new movie for all of you beautiful people. Whoopa.
Opa.
Alright, without further ado, let us get there.
Let us have a cruisy sail. Let us enjoy our lives. And
Jeez, we're getting deep now.
okay, let's do it. Let's sail. Let's have a good time. And
I'm hungry, sorry.
okay,
My belly comes first before the vlog.
barely. All right, that's it. Bye. We will miss you. Not you. You're coming with me. Captain Kieran. Well, I got very seasick. The waves were big and they tossed us from side to side and I did not like it.
We're in quite shallow water, so the waves come in from the ocean and they hit the shallow water and the reefs and they kind of stand up a bit, don't they?
Yeah, so that's why we haven't filmed at all.
And the battery.
And the battery. They have died.
So we just charged that now. But we're just pulling in, we've only been sailing for an hour and a half.
Yeah.
We're just pulling into this nice anchorage. It's a bit more crowded than the last one.
Everyone wants the internet, eh?
I've got my fingers crossed, because there's so many people here, you must be able to get an internet signal.
Yeah.
So if that's the case, we'll have a video up for you guys today.
Woo! Have a look at this. Hey guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on the little bell to keep up with everything that we're doing.
Isabel is currently putting down the anchor like a good girl. How's it looking, babe? Thumbs up, thumbs down. How many meters we got out? 35-40, beautiful. We're in 10 meters of depth. We have our friends around us and a few other boats. Yeah, not bad. Oh, she's telling me to reverse. So when setting an anchor, what we do is we put the revs up to 1,000 in reverse, and I leave that to get the tension on the anchor. Right now she's just got her hand down at the moment. Okay, now she's giving me the indication to go to 1,500. I'll show you the indication. $15. It is not even thinking about holding. So at this point we basically stop the reverse, we pick it up and we do it again. Okay, round two. Starting at 1,000 revs. Bum, Hey, don't look at me, look at the chain. Setting the anchor, the anchor, the anchor, the anchor. 15. Going to 2. I'm getting the signal for 2. 2000. Set. No, that's a look of disgust from a young Isabel. That is a nope. She's not set in the slightest. Sorry. Yeah, I'm gonna have to set this one. I'm going swimming to set it. I'll take you with me.
Okay.
Just go slow.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Isabel's freaking out. She heard there were some crocodiles around.
I'm so sorry for getting now.
What's that, babe? What's that?
No, okay, I'm done.
Isabel heard there were crocodiles in nearby lagoons and waterways.
He's gonna save me.
And she's like getting in and out of the water in the most quick fashion I have ever seen.
And you know what he does? He laughs at me.
After not seeing a crocodile or shark for an extended period of time, we decided to get creative in enticing them to come say hi.
Please.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
So the smell is right from a very funny smell.
Not very deep. Only like 2 meters.
Dum 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 da. Dum 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 da.
Everywhere. These yes first. They don't like us. Yeah.
G'day and welcome. Today we are doing the second attempt of seeing dangerous species. Yesterday we were trying to see some sharks. We failed.
Miserably.
Yes. So today we are going to find some crocodiles. Some locals are telling us there are crocodiles in the mangroves.
Yes. This will be my first experience with crocodiles outside of Australia, so it should be interesting.
How are you enjoying San Blas?
Oh man, the San Blas Islands are unreal.
Mm-hmm.
We've been here probably a week and a half, and it is paradise on earth. There is no restaurants, no hotels, and it's just you, this beautiful blue ocean, the sea life, and
Palm
these
trees.
beautiful little islands everywhere.
Yeah.
And for a sailboat, there's perfect anchorages everywhere as well. So everywhere has good holding, everywhere is just protected, there's no waves, there's just plenty of reefs around breaking up the waves. Man.
That's great. And tonight we're gonna have a little barbecue on the prettiest island I think I've ever seen.
Stay tuned for crocodiles and the most beautiful island Isabel has ever seen. Oh my goodness. Big call. Huge call. Wow.
Wow!
Wow.
Nice.
Not really anywhere to go here though.
To walk around here, man.
See them?
Crocodiles?
Crocodile.
The make-believe crocodiles?
No?
They're a myth. I never thought that we'd see any.
Coconut.
Looking extensively for crocodiles, we unfortunately saw none, though we did use the chance to check out the beautiful island where they supposedly live. As a young Isabel attempts to see the coconuts that she wishes to eat on the top of the tree, she will try to climb the tree as best she can, but unfortunately, after several attempts, she will fail. You got it, babe. You're only a fifth of the way there. 1/10 of the way there.
No.
As predicted, the Isabel has given up and
Isabel.
no coconuts will be eaten today. Unfortunately, the search for the local crocodiles and sharks had been quite unsuccessful. Later that afternoon, the search for beers and a good time proved to be far more fruitful.
This is honestly one of my favorite evening activities. Collecting a bunch of friends, going to the beach and just having a barbecue. It's when you're in this atmosphere, like just look at this sand. It's unreal. It's so amazing. I'm standing here trying to do a proper vlog and then this girl comes. Oh, it is just amazing. And then when we're sitting there barbecuing, two other friends just walked up and started talking to them and their plans and what they're doing. It's just great meeting like-minded people everywhere. Sandra's trying to collect a coconut. What are you doing, Sandra?
I'm trying to open the coconut with my new machete.
Oh yeah, very nice. Sharp, hey? Oof, almost got it. Don't hurt yourself.
It's not working.
Oh, you could actually reach them. A little bit more. Ja, du har den. Hey, show me.
I picked the first coconut.
Woo! Hey, that's a good one.
Oh, it's a really good one.
Sandra, the coconut whisperer.
But I'm left-handed.
Are you left-handed?
Yeah.
Then grab it with the left.
Yeah, got that one.
Oh, but you need to in the middle. No, it's better to do this.
Whoa.
We need a little bit more strength in there.
Yeah,
Yeah, no,
it's
yeah,
a bit
come on.
scary
You
when you
got
do
a
it.
strong arm, but
Yeah, but
Oh my god!
not mucking around.
you see, I would never go through.
Oh.
Wow!
Just,
Oh, watch your hand,
just
man.
treat it.
Yeah.
Just treat it like it's your worst enemy.
Yeah.
We
Oh, thank you.
It was cleaned by a very kind gentleman, wasn't it?
But this is hard stuff.
Is it?
Don't stab yourself.
Yeah, it's hard. Oh no.
Have you got your nurse kit with you?
No.
Oh.
The faith you have in me, eh?
Well, it's on the boat, is it? So you got like, so you can stitch me up if need be.
A ver, amor, dame el otro cuchillo.
just he's
On the machete.
Ah, yes.
just rolls open this display of like 10 knives.
You haven't been in my book.
Yeah.
Delish.
He's so cute.
Good day.